A wooden deck is highly exposed to the elements all year round. Because it's a horizontal surface, it needs treatment more often than other kinds of woodwork. In order to secure the best conditions for the protection of your wooden deck, the surface must be cleaned before applying the decking oil. Remove mould or fungal growth with a suitable detergent. This is the case for both new wood and wood that's been treated before. You can also use a high-pressure cleaner to remove mould, fungi, dirt and decayed wood. When the wood is clean and dry, you're ready for the next step. Before you begin, make sure that the humidity of the wood does not exceed 18%. And remember that you should not apply wood protection in direct sunlight. If the wood is new or the old wood protection is completely worn down or has been sanded down to the bare wood, the deck must be treated with a primer. The deck is now ready to be treated with Bondex decking oil. Apply 1 coat of decking oil if the wood is not very absorbent, and 2 coats if you can see that the oil is absorbed quickly into the wood. Excess oil is removed with a lint-free cloth in order to avoid peeling and cracking later. Now your wooden deck has been given a good and durable treatment. Enjoy.